can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal. That is dangerous operation of a motor vehicle.
Hey, young Swish, roll up.
That's my bad boy.
Damn, it's coming off like plastic dip.
It is possible.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Sometimes the worst is if you put it on too thin,
Yeah,
and you're like trying to peel it off and it just rips. You're like,
yeah, and then you gotta like scrape at it for hours.
oh my god, yes. It's already rubberized. I just put this on like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago.
Damn, that was quick.
Yeah, because we're trying to coat the car. We're trying to get everything ready in time. You know, we've been polishing this car since last night, all day yesterday, on Sunday. It's Monday today.
I heard it's a special client.
Yeah, we gotta deliver this car to Kenny Hotz from Kenny vs. Spenny. You guys know the TV show, very famous Canadian TV actor.
I'll put a picture of it right here.
Yeah, those guys they're crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a friend of mine. He just lives downtown Toronto, so we gotta beat the daylight, deliver it to him. It's a birthday gift, and he's gonna freak out when he sees this car. Full ceramic coating. We did the front bumper, rear bumper. We blacked out the headlights, the taillights completely. Look here. Did the rims, gloss black, real nice. We did a full polish, cut and polish, ceramic coating, you name it, everything. We blacked out the lights, blacked out the grill, blacked out the lower bumper. We replaced this piece. The rear lower valence, we did the fog lights. Look at that.
Oh wow, everything's black.
Now, and we debadged the whole thing, aside from the BMW logo here.
Yeah, yep.
And one in the back as well. But now the car looks like it's a premium car. When you pull to an event, you're like, oh damn, that's Kenny Hotz.
And having a black car that shiny is a challenge.
Oh, it's tough. It's not easy, you know. And you know, it's just one of his dailies. But at least when he goes, he drives around, it's gonna look fresh.
That's a high quality daily.
Oh yeah, and we did these too as well. These marker
Oh, the side
lights as well.
markers?
Everything.
So those are all like wrapped in like tint?
No, they're painted gloss black. We took off the front bumper, rear bumper. We took off the fenders with the headlights, everything, just to paint everything. So,
Oh wow. So you guys are really cramming to get this out to him by time.
yeah, we gotta deliver this in like 2 hours.
To downtown Toronto at rush hour?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do it, no problem. We just gotta do this little taillight here. I tried to take it out for paint, but it's like glued on. So
Oh,
if I took
okay.
it out, it would have broke. So we're gonna plastic dip it on.
So he literally wants everything blacked out.
blacked out.
Gotta do what the customer says, right?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
So is that gonna get painted black too?
Yeah, you can just real quick, just plastic it. It's not gonna be like the gloss black like the rest of the lights and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Just because I couldn't take it out.
Got you.
Yeah,
Body shop work is no joke.
it's,
Tedious.
tedious is one of the best words to describe it. So, you know, I think we got about an hour left before I gotta take this on the road. So
Jeez, we're like on the clock, on the clock.
a lot of stuff going on right now. Yeah. Dry when I peel it, since it's plastic dip, everything loves to peel.
Yeah.
Since we're not doing the whole car.
That's why you're peeling it while it's wet right now?
Yes, exactly. Because when you're peeling the plastic dip when it's completely dry, it wants to just take all of it off.
Oh, just come off as like one big layer.
Exactly. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Before I shut this door.
Extra cautious.
Yeah.
there. Whose dog is this?
Jay's dog, Hennessy.
Hi, Hennessy.
Yeah,
She probably smells my dog on me.
she's great. She's the sweetest Rottweiler you'll ever meet.
All Rottweilers are sweet. It's normally the owner.
Yeah, it's true.
Hennessy, you can't ceramic coat.
So for some reason, these silver single chrome lug nuts, he's got one silver in each, so we're just gonna put original BMW ones that are all black.
Wait, you're
Just so
saying
match.
each wheel has only one silver?
Yes, one chrome one, yes. Just the little details that matter.
That's true. Because those silver would stand out like crazy.
Exactly. And we're blacking it out, you know?
Yeah.
Not black and silver.
That's my bad boy.
Into the 7-Eleven right now because we just brought the car to Toronto.
Yeah, we gotta grab a quick snack. You know, get all ready to give a nice delivery to my friend Kenny Hotz.
You're not supposed to look at the camera.
Go. Whatever. Anyway, we're going to deliver this car, and it's been, you know, initially he's like, oh, can you fix a couple little scrapes and little dents here and there? So we did that, but we also went above and beyond. We did a full blackout around the whole car. Did a 3-step cut and polish with ceramic coating all over the car. And what else did we do? All kinds of stuff, bro.
A bunch of
Did
stuff.
the headlights, the tail lights, the every kind
Anything
of lights.
that wasn't black
Any
is
light.
now black.
Yes, it's blacked out, the car, except for the BMW logo. But, and the tints. The only thing we gotta do is to complete it. And he goes, like, literally the day before we deliver, he goes, can you black it out? And I'm like, it's Saturday. You want it Monday. It's like, yeah, if you could do it. I was like, all right. So we peel apart the whole car, headlights, tail lights, lamps, every lamp, brake light, everything. So got it all done, and then blacked out all the moldings, and then even the little silver trims, debadged the whole car.
Yeah.
Polished it. It's a completely new car. And the rims too. The rims. Did so many things to this car. Yeah, we're just about to deliver it to the guy. So we'll grab something real quick, and then we'll be off to it.
Yes, sir.
But I do none. No, Jay's like in the background. He's like making hand signals.
No, I'm gonna do the short man walk by you.
Who's that guy? Oh, just some local Toronto crackhead. That's what it was.
That's my bad boy.
Describe your car. Describe your car before you look.
Old and
Okay. Look.
Oh my God! Oh, that is you blacked out the.
You said black it out.
But I thought you were just doing the trim. That's oh.
This is blacked out.
Oh my God!
The guys
That's
came in?
Unbelievable.
Take a look. Everything we did. The
Looks
rims.
like a Bentley.
The fender lights, the headlights, the fog lights, the every kind of lights.
Great. I didn't even know you
the
could do
bottoms
that.
here, you know, here,
Oh my God!
everything, man. You know, the
is-
trims,
That is just.
tail lights.
Oh
You got
my
brand
God.
new texture molding here. BMW logo there. We got everything. There you go, Kenny.
Oh my
Different car, eh?
Look at that! Wow, those rims! What a great idea.
Yeah. No.
That's unbelievable. It's like It's the Fatmobile.
It's a bit different now, eh?
I didn't even know you could do it. So that's like,
Yeah, we did these, the grills, did the tents.
I need a black license plate. Just spray paint. I'll just spray paint.
But yeah, you gotta give the poor guy that.
Oh my God.
Oil change
Dude,
done,
thank
all that
you
done.
so much.
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Happy
That's
birthday,
so
man.
good.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
The car is crazy.
Completely
The
different.
grill is just that is
different.
out of control. That changes the entire
Completely
car.
different, eh?
Right? Gives it a different look.
Whoa. That is sick. Right, can't wait to smash it.
I hope
Well, you
not.
know where to bring it back to.
Yeah, that's right.
The smile on his face says it all.
He's not acting, you know?
Yeah. Even though he's an
Big
actor,
one.
he's not
Yeah.
acting. So how long total was this project for you guys?
It's about a week project. So first start off is just give me an oil change, and you know we had a big gash here, or I don't know, it was here. No, it's here. I think.
Can't even tell anymore.
I think it was here. It was damaged here.
Those blacking out those lights is crazy.
When it's on too, it looks cool. It's just a little tire shine on there, but they're clean up nice. And
No. Honestly,
Yeah.
like instead of blowing, 2 G's on rims paints, incredible.
huge. Oh, this is ceramic coating too, right?
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty
It's
cool.
Dude, you could do
crazy.
your beard in this car.
Oh yeah, let me show you when the taillights are on too. Yeah, too.
I cleaned the inside for you.
Like it's like black and red. It looks like Darth Vader.
It's
See
crazy.
the exhaust
I
tips
know.
too and everything.
Yeah, it's evil death car. Thanks again. Fucking crazy. Really appreciate it, boys.
Yeah,
Thanks so
nice
much.
meeting you,
Thank you so much. It's so good.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
Hey,
Hey, my change is missing, man.
Jay?
I don't ever want those back. I was
say.
gonna use them as ninja stars on Spenny's dick.
Man. Glad you really liked the car. I was really happy. Just want to say big thanks to TooFast, because without TooFast TV, TooFast Inc., this would not have happened, you know. Big shout out to Salim, super cool guy. If you guys don't know TooFast on 4699 Kill Street, you guys gotta check it out. They'll give you the best deals on everything, you know, car parts related, rims, tires, you name it. If you guys need paint, body work, anything, you know, coatings related, anything painted, literally customized. My name's Eris from Steel City. I own the shop, and if you guys need anything else, hit me up, you know. You guys know where to find it?
Steel City.
Keel and Steels on 170 Limestone. All right, sweet, peace. That's it.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.